Hello, fellow gardeners. Are you tired of the daily grind of watering and weeding, especially when life gets busy or resources are scarce? Imagine a garden that largely takes care of itself, providing fresh food with minimal intervention. Today, we're diving deep into the concept of the self-watering survival garden. This isn't just about convenience, it's about resilience, efficiency, and ensuring a consistent food supply, even when you can't be there every day. At its core, a self-watering garden system provides a consistent water supply to your plants from a reservoir, often located beneath the growing medium. This method mimics natural capillary action, drawing water up to the plant roots as needed. This approach significantly reduces water evaporation and runoff, making it incredibly efficient. Plants receive a steady, deep watering, which encourages stronger root development and healthier growth. The foundation of a survival garden is intelligent water management. Beyond self-watering containers, several techniques enhance water retention and reduce overall demand. These methods work synergistically to create a truly low-maintenance system. Mulching is paramount. A thick layer of organic mulch, like straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves, acts as a protective blanket for your soil. It drastically reduces evaporation, keeping the soil moist for longer periods. Consider strategic plant placement and companion planting. Grouping plants with similar water needs together optimizes watering efforts. Companion planting can also create a microclimate that shades the soil, further conserving moisture. Weeding is often the most time-consuming chore in any garden. A self-watering survival garden aims to minimize this task, allowing you to focus on harvesting rather than battling unwanted growth. Again, mulching plays a crucial role here. A dense layer of mulch suppresses weed seeds from germinating by blocking sunlight. Any weeds that do manage to sprout are often weak and easily removed. Close planting can also be an effective weed deterrent. When your desired plants grow densely, their foliage creates a canopy that shades the soil, preventing weed seeds from establishing themselves. This natural competition favors your crops. While there are many elaborate self-watering systems, the principles are simple. A common method involves a reservoir at the bottom of a container or bed, with a wicking mechanism drawing water up into the soil. Wicking beds, for instance, use a perforated pipe or wicking fabric to connect the soil to a water reservoir. This ensures a continuous, regulated supply of moisture directly to the root zone. Another simple option is using olipots, which are unglazed terracotta pots buried in the soil. Water slowly seeps through the porous clay, providing moisture directly to the surrounding plant roots. Not all plants are created equal when it comes to a survival garden. Prioritize drought-tolerant, high-yield, and low-maintenance crops that thrive in your local climate. Root vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and sweet potatoes often do well with consistent moisture from a self-watering system. Leafy greens such as Swiss chard and kale are also excellent choices. Consider crops that offer multiple harvests, like bush beans, determinate tomatoes, or various herbs. These provide a continuous food supply without needing to replant frequently. Healthy soil is the backbone of any thriving garden, especially one designed for minimal intervention. Rich, organic soil improves water retention, nutrient availability, and overall plant vigor. Incorporate plenty of compost and other organic matter into your growing medium. This enhances the soil structure, allowing it to hold moisture like a sponge while still providing good drainage. A living soil full of beneficial microbes and fungi creates a resilient ecosystem. This reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers and helps plants access nutrients more efficiently. While the goal is minimal effort, a self-watering survival garden isn't entirely hands-off. However, the tasks are significantly reduced and less frequent. You'll need to periodically check and refill your water reservoirs, perhaps once a week or even less, depending on the system and weather. Replenishing mulch layers annually will also be beneficial. Spot weeding might still be necessary for persistent weeds, but it will be a quick task rather than a daily chore. The primary maintenance will shift to harvesting your abundant crops. Embracing a self-watering survival garden offers numerous advantages. It frees up your time, allowing you to enjoy your garden rather than constantly working in it. It conserves water, a precious resource, by delivering it directly to the plants with minimal waste. This efficiency is crucial for sustainable gardening practices. Most importantly, it provides a reliable source of fresh, healthy food, enhancing your food security and resilience. You'll have peace of mind knowing your garden can sustain itself, even when you can't be there every day. Building a self-watering survival garden is an empowering step towards a more sustainable and less labor-intensive way of growing food. It's about working smarter, not harder, with nature. Whether you start with a single self-watering container or convert an entire raised bed, the principles remain the same. Embrace these techniques and watch your garden flourish with minimal effort.